Now to a ruling from the Ohio Supreme Court that could have far-reaching implications.
The decision could make it more difficult for people to get back their firearms after being convicted of domestic violence. Our David Winter has more.
He was strangling me, threw me into the wall. He was pulling out hair, trying to stop me from calling the cops.
Jamie Sawalski recounts for us the terrifying moments in 2017 when her husband at the time, Roy Ewing, attacked her. He was arrested, and under Marcy's law, 13 of his firearms were confiscated.
There were rifles, there were semi-automatic rifles, handguns.
Ewing was convicted of misdemeanor domestic assault. He served some jail time, and he finished his one-year probation.
The prosecutor had told me that with the actual conviction, he would never be permitted to purchase, carry, or possess a weapon ever again.
But that's not what happened, is it?
No. He applied or requested to have his firearms disability lifted, and a judge in Warren County granted that to him.
What were your thoughts when that happened?
I was shocked. I was terrified.
So Sawalski went to court and got Judge Robert Peeler's decision overturned on the basis that he did not have jurisdiction. Ewing appealed to the Ohio Supreme Court.
It is absolutely 100% undisputed that the legislature, the Ohio legislature, gave trial courts the power to remove disability.
If Mr. Ewing wants to legally obtain or possess firearms, he must seek and be granted a pardon, or if the option under 925C is reopened, apply to ATF or pursue a remedy in federal court.
The court handed down its decision this week denying Ewing and others in Ohio who wish to get their firearms back after committing domestic violence.
This was a misdemeanor that he was convicted of. Do you feel that perhaps it's a little too harsh to keep him from having his firearms for the rest of his life?
Absolutely not. The reason they do this is because so many of these people that are convicted eventually go back and kill their victim, typically shooting them.
David Winter, Local 12 News.
We reached out to the defendant, Robert Ewing, and his attorney for comment on this, but did not hear back by news time.